Spring-like warmth continued across the Japanese archipelago. At a gymnasium in Fukushima Prefecture, a large amount of snow came crashing down from the roof. The rapid thaw was accelerating. On February 4th, in Sapporo,
路面がツルツルのため、皆さん慎重に歩いています。
warmer temperatures melted the snow, worsening road conditions. The effects were being felt even during exam season. On February 4th, entrance examinations were held at 17 private high schools in Aomori Prefecture. But the road was so narrow that cars could barely pass each other. In Aomori City, a massive traffic jam began early in the morning, with cars coming to a complete standstill. Looking at the road surface, the surface was rock-hard and icy, so slippery that vehicles looked as if they could skid at any moment. Buses carrying exam candidates were caught in the traffic jam, and around 160 students arrived late. Officials were forced to take emergency measures, including delaying the start of the exams by 1 hour and 10 minutes. Heavy snowfall was so intense it smashed through walls. In Wanuma City, Niigata Prefecture, one of Japan's leading rice-producing areas, a warehouse used to store rice was crushed under the weight of the snow. Large cracks can also be seen in the glass. Security camera footage clearly captures the moment snow slid off the roof. The shutter has become warped and can no longer be opened, making it difficult to get in and out of the building.
去年の春に納車した新車もあるんで、潰したくねえな。潰れる前になんか持って出たのがこの検査場の看板と新車鍵。
The rice is also being carried outside by hand, they say. At a residence in Odate City, Akita Prefecture.
男性1名が埋まってしまった。住民で協力して掘っているけど見つからない。
On the afternoon of February 4th, a snowslide accident occurred. A man in his 60s who lived there was buried under snow and was later found and taken to the hospital. His death was confirmed later.
ゴーという音ですね。ちょっとなかなか聞いたらこんな音ですけども、滑り落ちたっていう感じの音かな。ただ必死です。まず人を見つけなきゃいけないということで、ただ必死に雪を降ってました。
In Joetsu City, Niigata Prefecture, the body of a man was found in the snow on February 3rd. A shovel was left on the roof, and authorities say he may have fallen while clearing snow from the roof. According to the Fire and Disaster Management Agency of the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications, the nationwide death toll from the heavy snowfall since January 20th has reached 38 as of 8:30 a.m. on February 4th. Even in the Kanto region, some areas saw heavy snow, and there was heavy snow in Tokyo on Sunday, February 8th, Election Day. The impact of once in 30 years low rainfall is also being felt. Bright red flames can be seen shooting out of a window. On the afternoon of February 4th, a fire broke out at a building in Osaka City that houses both a shop and a residence. Police and firefighters are rushing to confirm whether anyone is still trapped inside. Drought conditions are becoming severe at a dam in Kochi Prefecture. What has emerged is
こちらのサメ浦ダムでは普段水中にあり見えないはずの旧大川村庁舎が水上に姿を現しています。
the former village office, normally submerged beneath the water. The average reservoir level at Samura Dam is 82%, but as of 12 a.m. on February 4th, it had dropped to 55%. The national government and the 4 prefectures of Shikoku held a meeting to discuss drought countermeasures. If lack of rains continue, they say water intake restrictions will be imposed. The impact of drought is being felt even on winter hot pot vegetables. In Ibaraki Prefecture, the Chinese cabbage harvest season is now at its peak. But
もう軽いですよ。軽いですか。めちゃくちゃ軽いです。 なんじゃこりゃっていうぐらい。
Compared with a normal one, this Chinese cabbage is much smaller. The cause is dry soil and a lack of rainfall.
このぐらいもう押せちゃうので、スカスカですね。もう食べるとこがないので、あまりね良くないですよね。
In the Kanto region, the dry, low rainfall conditions are expected to continue.